Are you a beginner streamer or content creator looking for a quality mic that doesn't break the budget? Well, this video is for you, my friend. And no, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just sharing with you the things that I use in my content creation. I introduce to you the HyperX SoloCast. This mic is under $100 and it's perfect for beginning streamers or content creators. A great quality mic, USB plug and play. This is the same mic I use when I'm streaming or recording in OBS Studio. Speaking of OBS, let's hop into OBS and check out the sound quality. All right, guys, so I'm currently in OBS and this is the final product. Decent audio, that's what we want. Beginner streamers on a budget, plug and play mic, it gets the job done. Definitely have to get into some settings into your OBS Studio or whatever software you're using. Make a couple tweaks. Here's a screenshot of what I'm using. And that's it in a nutshell, guys. I'm hoping this video will help somebody that's trying to begin streaming or content creating, looking for a mic. Hey, the HyperX SoloCast, that's the way to go. Under $100, plug and play. Make your adjustments and you'll be sounding good and great, making great content in no time. Peace.